I found 20 car gadgets on Amazon right now that make your daily commute feel like you're driving something twice the price. And the cheapest one on this list is less than what you spend on gas in a week. Number 1 turns any car built before 2015 into something that feels stolen from a dealership showroom. If you want straight up no fluff product breakdowns that respect your time, hit subscribe. Drop your guess for the number 1 spot in the comments. Let's get into it. Number 20, AP Pays 2 car cup phone holder, $15. This is the single dumbest looking, smartest working accessory in your entire car. It slides into your cup holder, expands to grip the sides, and pops up a phone clamp that holds your device rock steady. No windshield suction cup falling off in the summer heat. No vent clip blocking your AC. I threw this in my center console during a road trip and it held my phone through every pothole on the highway without budging once. If your dashboard is cluttered, this clears it instantly. At 19, Sodoride window breaker seatbelt cutter, $12. This clips right onto your visor or seatbelt strap and sits there completely invisible until the one moment you actually need it. Spring-loaded steel point for shattering tempered glass. A razor hook for slicing through a jammed belt. I keep one in my car and one in my wife's, and honestly, it's the cheapest peace of mind you'll ever buy. You hope you never use it. You'll be glad it's there if you do. Number 18, Tefla steering wheel lock, $25. Old school deterrent, updated for modern thieves. It locks across your wheel in a bright, impossible to ignore color, and most car break-in attempts move on the second they see it through the windshield. I started using this after a rash of break-ins in my neighborhood, and it's the kind of gadget you buy once and forget about until it quietly does its job for years. At 17, Electtop 120 decibel car alarm system, $35. A standalone alarm you can add to literally any vehicle, even ones without factory security. Motion sensor triggers a genuinely obnoxious 120 decibel siren, loud enough to turn heads across a parking lot. I installed this on an older car with zero factory alarm, and just knowing it's armed changes how I feel walking away from it at night. Number 16, digital tire pressure gauge, $15. Forget squinting at the tiny analog needle on the gas station gauge. This gives you an exact digital PSI reading in under a second backlit screen. One button operation. I keep this in my glove box and check my tires every other week now because it's actually fast enough that I don't dread doing it. Underinflated tires quietly kill your gas mileage, and this makes catching that a 5-second habit. At 15, Koka sees car coasters for cup holders, $13. Small fix, oddly satisfying upgrade. These silicone coasters drop into your cup holders and absorb every condensation ring and coffee spill before it hits the plastic underneath. I run these in both front cup holders, and pulling them out to rinse off once a month keeps the whole interior looking brand new instead of sticky and stained. Number 14, Oak Tree blind spot mirrors, $10. Two tiny convex mirrors that stick to the corner of your side mirrors and basically erase your blind spot. Wide angle glass shows you the car that was completely invisible a second ago. I merged onto a highway last month and caught a motorcycle in my blind spot that my factory mirror never would have shown me. $10 for genuinely safer lane changes. At 13, Oak Tree armrest storage box, $30. If your center console is a black hole of loose change and old receipts, this fixes it in one afternoon. It mounts over your existing armrest and adds real organized storage. Cup holders, a phone slot, hidden compartments. I loaded mine up with chargers, sunglasses, and parking tickets, and now everything actually has a place instead of sliding around every time I brake. Number 12, Bida smart retractable charger, $20. A retractable USB-C and lightning cable that mounts near your console and pulls out exactly as much length as you need, then snaps back in. No more tangled charging cables snaking across your cup holders. I mounted this under my dash, and now I just grab the cable, plug in, and it retracts itself when I'm done. It's a tiny change that makes the whole cabin feel less cluttered. At 11, Joyroom car tablet stand, $25. Mounts to your headrest and holds a tablet steady for backseat passengers, road trips with kids, or long waits in the school pickup line. Adjustable arm, sturdy clamp, doesn't wobble on rough roads. I put this in for a 6-hour drive with my niece in the back, and it was the single best purchase for keeping the peace the entire trip. If any of those first 10 earned a spot on your dashboard, drop a like so the algorithm knows we're not wasting your time here. The next batch gets significantly more serious. Let's keep moving. Number 10. Ho-Ho Film Electronic Tinting Film. 90 bucks. This is the gadget nobody expects to exist. It's window film that switches from clear to frosted privacy mode at the flip of a switch, using an electric current instead of a manual shade. I installed a strip on my sunroof, and being able to go from full sunlight to total privacy in half a second still feels like something out of a concept car. At 9. Vaver Fovow Electric Jack. 90 bucks. Changing a tire on the shoulder of a highway is one of the worst experiences in car ownership. This replaces your manual jack with a one-button electric lift that raises your car in under a minute. No cranking, no straining in the rain. I tested this in my driveway just to see the process, and I genuinely can't imagine going back to a manual scissor jack after dark on the side of a road. Number 8. Tornador Black Z020 Detailing Tool. 45 bucks. This attaches to a standard pressure washer and turns it into a rotating, wobbling nozzle that blasts brake dust and grime out of wheel wells and door jambs in seconds. I used this on wheels I hadn't deep cleaned in a year, and it stripped years of caked on brake dust off in about 10 seconds per wheel. Detailers use this exact tool professionally, and now it's sitting in my garage for under 50 bucks. At 7. Robustrue Cordless Impact Wrench. 100 bucks. If you've ever fought a stripped lug nut with a cross wrench in a parking lot, this makes that entire problem disappear. Rechargeable battery, enough torque to break loose nuts that have been on for years, comes with a case and sockets. I changed all 4 tires in my driveway with this in under 15 minutes total, a job that used to take me the better part of an hour with hand tools. Number 6. Huawei Hood Car GPS Speedometer. 50 bucks. A head-up display that projects your speed, GPS-based navigation cues, and battery voltage directly onto a small reflective panel on your dash, right in your line of sight. No wiring into your OBD port required. It works off satellite GPS. I stopped glancing down at my dashboard entirely after installing this because the numbers are just floating right where my eyes already are on the road. We're now into the gadgets that genuinely upgrade what your car is capable of. If you haven't subscribed yet, now's the moment. Let's keep going. Number 5. CarPass LED Car Seat Covers. 60 bucks. These aren't just protective seat covers, they're built with embedded LED strips that sync to your car's ambiance or run on their own rechargeable battery, glowing along the seat edges at night. I put a set of these in for a night drive with friends, and the reaction in the car was immediate. Half of them thought I'd had a custom interior installed. At 4. Spark Car Overhead Monitor Screen. 200 bucks. This replaces your factory sun visor area with a drop-down 15-inch touchscreen that mirrors your phone, plays streaming apps, and gives backseat passengers their own entertainment hub. I installed this before a long family road trip, and it single-handedly ended the "Are we there yet?" chorus from the back seat for 6 straight hours. Number 3. AutoCAST Mini Wireless CarPlay / Android Auto Adapter. 90 bucks. If your car already has a wired CarPlay or Android Auto screen, but you're sick of plugging in every single time, this tiny dongle plugs into your existing USB port once and makes every connection after that fully wireless. I set this up in under 2 minutes, and now I just get in my car and CarPlay connects automatically before I've even put my seatbelt on. At 2. Jama's 2.5K Mirror Dash Cam with CarPlay. 150 bucks. This straps directly over your existing rearview mirror and turns it into a massive touchscreen that runs both a dual front and rear dash cam and wireless CarPlay simultaneously. I installed this in a car with a factory stereo from over a decade ago, and it instantly modernized the entire front cabin without ripping out a single wire from the dashboard. Number 1. Vantrue E1 Lite Mini Dash Cam. 70 bucks. Barely bigger than a coin, and it disappears completely behind your rearview mirror. No bulky housing, no distracting screen, nothing a thief would even notice is there. But the footage it pulls is genuinely crisp enough to read a license plate at a red light with night vision that actually holds up in near total darkness. I had this running for 3 weeks before a minor parking lot fender bender pulled the footage off the app in under a minute and had the other driver's insurance accept it without a single question. That's the whole job of a dash cam, done perfectly for $70. Which one of these are you adding to your car first? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. If you want to see the gadgets that didn't make the cut this time, hit subscribe. New breakdowns drop every week. Links to everything are in the description. The best upgrade for your car is the one you didn't know existed until right now.